the subway car direct power?
Yes.
No.
Or did I? Yeah. First class is much prettier. First class is like a tracks. Yeah. This is third class. Wooden seats, wooden floors. Third class. And then, yeah, literally. And then, first class has the red velvet seats, the luggage racks. Nicer windows.
Sleeping for
Well, in the old days, they never had the walkway down the new ones. They had the walkway down so you can get into each cabin, and then vestibules so you can go from carriage to carriage. But in the old days, they didn't. You got on, and that's where you were for your whole trip.
Oh, really?
One cubicle,
You
yeah.
had a toilet in there too, or
Nope.
a bucket?
Nope.
You just held it, huh?
You
We
said
got
that
one
earlier.
door to the outside.
With his coffee machine. One of these.
And what did you base these off of?
Not this one. These are an Intercity 125. It's British Rail Plus. This guy with a generator on the front.
Yeah,
Oh, that's cool.
Put over there. But there's all interiors in these coaches too. I can get the clean thing off. There you go. Little coffee machine in there.
Awesome.
And
Yeah, the last one I saw,
How many train windows did you have to buy?
well, this guy, and it's always fascinated me.
some small carnage in here.
How they sit down and figure out how they're going to build like this. But even like this, that is fairly
The kitchen and water cooler and
yeah, okay, yeah.
Really, the hardest part is
You have a lot more room with 8 foot wide
yep.
compared to the inside of the driving
And
square.
although minifigures still look a bit uncomfortable in there, they kind of scale a bit more better in there. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I guess that what I was really referring to.
Yeah, you can put minifigures in here,
Start with one.
and the aisle's wide enough for potentially one to walk down.
How you do that, and I know there's several.
Cool.